Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale songs on piano. First, begin by searching for beginner-friendly sheet music or online tutorials for your favorite Undertale tracks. Many resources offer simplified arrangements, perfect for those just starting out. Focus on mastering the melody with your right hand, playing each note deliberately. Remember, patience is key. Practice slowly, perhaps at half speed, to ensure precision before increasing your tempo. Next, familiarize yourself with basic music notation. This includes understanding the treble clef for your right hand and the bass clef for your left. Many Undertale songs feature straightforward chord progressions, often using just 3 or 4 basic chords. You can find numerous online resources, like chord charts or piano learning applications, to help you identify and play these chords effectively. Practice switching between chords smoothly. Effective practice is crucial for progress. Always use a metronome to develop a steady rhythm. Start at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase it. If a section feels challenging, break it down into smaller, 2-measure segments and master each one individually. There are countless YouTube tutorials and online forums dedicated to Undertale piano covers, offering valuable tips and alternative arrangements. Once you're comfortable with the basics, consider experimenting with different voicings for chords or adding small improvisational flourishes to make the songs your own. Listen intently to the original Undertale soundtracks to truly grasp the emotional depth and nuances of each piece. Remember, the goal is to have fun and express yourself through music. Enjoy the journey of bringing these beloved melodies to life on your piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.